Alaska 2616, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, Alaska 2616 Heavy.
Alaska 2616, did you strike birds on departure?
Engine problem. We'd like vectors to return to the ILS 27.
Alaska 2616, roger. Maintain 3000 if able, and turn left heading 230. Do you need immediate assistance back to the runway?
Climb to 3000, affirmative, right back to the runway for Alaska 2616 Heavy.
Okay, I'm just going to keep you on frequency in the pattern. Make a left turn southbound heading 180, please, if you can. 180.
South 180 on the heading, Alaska 2616 Heavy.
And you can just do the pattern on your own if you'd like. Let me know if you'd like to do that, and if you see the field, then you turn.
Thank you. We'll keep you advised, Alaska 2616 Heavy.
You said it was a left engine issue now?
Affirmative, left engine. We took a bird intake. We just want to come back and land.
Okay, yep, that's fine. Let me know how it's going, and I'll clear you for a visual approach. It's going to be 36 right. 36 right is going to be your runway if you can take that.
Okay, we'll set up for 36 right, Alaska 2616 Heavy.
Opposite tower.
You want us to check 27?
He said 36 right's going to be okay. I'll let you know, though.
Did he hit a bird?
He did hit a bird, left engine issue. We just pulled the crash zone now.
Roger.
Alaska 2615. I'm showing you at 2,600 feet. That is fine for the MVA if you just want to hold that out, please. Alaska 2616, when you can, no hurry, give me fuel remaining and souls on board.
Alaska 2616 Heavy, we have smoke in the cockpit, request vectors direct to runway 26 right.
Alaska 2616, Roger, you want a base turn right now? Can you take it right now? Alaska 2616, can you take a base turn right now?
Affirmative, we need a heading.
Okay, turn left heading 090. Left turn heading 090. The airport's off your left side, 5.5 miles.
090 on the heading, Alaska 2616.
Alaska 2016, it looks like you're holding altitude just fine. Airport's off here 9 o'clock and about 6 miles when you make that turn. 9 o'clock and 6 miles.
616.
Turn left heading 090. If you haven't started that turn yet, turn left heading 090.
090 on the heading, Alaska 2616.
Is there too much smoke in the cockpit to see your gauges or out the window?
Option right now because we got smoke in the cockpit. Let me run some checklists and I'll get back to you. Just keep back to the airport, please.
Okay, it looks like you're turning right as well. Or, yeah, it looks like you're turning right. Start on the left turn. I can give you no gyro vectors as well, tell you to stop the turn. Start on the left turn now, left turn.
Yeah, we're in the left turn now. Sorry, we got a lot of bells and whistles going.
I understand. I'm just trying to help out. I understand that. Thank you very much. I see your left turn now. I can see you out the window. Your left turn looks great. I'll tell you when to stop that turn.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Alaska 2616, again, this is a no gyro vector. Your turn looks good. I'll tell you to stop here in just 1 second. All right, Alaska 2616, level off, stop, turn now, airport, out your left window, 10 miles. Okay, Alaska 2616, cleared visual approach, if able, cleared visual approach, 36 right.
616 Heavy.
Do you need another turn towards the runway, or are you okay?
No, we got it.
Okay, thank you. Alaska 2616, your heading looks good there. You're about to line up with the final approach course. Alaska 2616, you might, as you're getting to the final approach course there, you might be just a little high. Can you see and are able to start down for the visual approach?
We're coming down, Alaska 2616 Heavy.
Okay, thank you. Alaska 2616, gear down. I see it visually.
2616, thank you. Tower, Alaska 2616 Heavy. Can you have the trucks roll out here and assess, please?
Yes, they are following you down the runway, Alaska 2616. You can go all the way to the end if you prefer, all the way to the end, or just stop there on the runway, your choice.
We're going to stop on the runway and have them assess us, please, Alaska 2616 Heavy.
Okay, that's just fine. And if you can, when you can, just give me the souls on board and fuel, just for our records. But
2 souls on board, 37,000 pounds of fuel, Alaska 2616 Heavy. Do you have a discrete frequency for crash fire?
They're on this frequency.
Roger.
ASA 2616, CFR Command, what do you need from us? ASA 2616, this is CFR Command. We're on the ground, what do you need from us?
Alaska 2616, can you hear CFR Command?
Tower, Sky 6244, we heard you were busy, but we're on the visual 36 left.
I appreciate that. Tower 6244, runway 36 left, clear to land.
Runway 36 left, clear to land, Sky 6244.
CFR Command, they may have exited the cockpit. I'm not 100% sure. They're not answering me either. I do not see any fire on the aircraft from the tower, no.